Hey there, my Stampin' friends. Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. We have sketch number 47 for our DSP sketch projects. We're going to be creating with the Bright and Beautiful DSP this fun pattern here. I've paired it with Lemon Lime Twist and 3 die cut circles. Our DSP panel is going to be cut down to this 5 1/4 by 4, and then that piece is going to be cut into these 3 panels above. I stamped my sentiment with Knitted Navy from Cheerful Daisies on one of my circles. Then I stamped the outline of the daisy. Then I stamped it again for the filler stamp of the daisy, and then I put the centers with the Native Navy in the middle. So here are all the parts and pieces for the project. It's going to be pretty simple, and you can get all the instructions and materials on my mini tutorial email subscription. So start the card by doing our fold and crease with the bone folder. Then we're going to apply our DSP panels. I started with the top piece, then I married it with the center piece, and then put on the bottom piece. These are all nice and snug together. Then we're going to add our 3 circles with dimensionals. I started with 2 outside daisies and then put the center sentiment to finish it off. So what do you think, guys? Nice and simple. Leave me a thumbs up or a comment below if you've enjoyed, and remember you can use the links to subscribe either to the channel or to my newsletter, or just send me a message, whatever you need. So I'll stamp with you again real soon. Do some fun stamping.